So this is a video about traveling in China. First stop is you need to go into the security entrance where you get scanned. You show that you're not carrying any harmful items. They do body searches as well. Then after that, we need to go into the boarding area. So this is the security, the safety check area that you do. We got one there, then all of them you can go. So we're going to try to find one of them because I am a foreigner. I'm using a passport, so I need to find one which is a user-friendly one, and where they can help me with this. So I went into a wrong entrance, so we need to go to this one where we can get scanned by a security official. He's going to scan my passport. As you can see, there's an Indian guy up in front of me. He managed to go through. So we're going to go into the boarding area. So I've got my foreign passport. There it is. I'm just managing to go in. I'm going to get scanned, and my daughter is going to get scanned, and everyone. So my passport is going to get checked because it happens that I bought my ticket using my passport. So this is the whole process. Some foreigners get scared, like China is not a user-friendly country. So I've got water. We've got a security guard. Yeah, he knows that there's nothing that I'm carrying, but they're going to scan me and scan the daughter as well. I need to remove my cap on the process. Shisha. Yeah. So my daughter has been scanned. I've been scanned. So now we're heading to the boarding area, to the waiting area. So what happens here is, you'll get a lot of people complaining that you get a lot of restrictions as long as you show your passport as a foreigner. Depending how you bought your train ticket, you can come in without buying the ticket, then you buy it at the ticket office, then you go straight to the boarding area, which is part of the waiting area at the train station. This is the Beijing South train station during the Dragon Boat Festival. I'm sure if you watch my videos, you would have seen me traveling in this train station a lot of times, and this is the boarding time as well. We were a little bit late, and my train is leaving in about 15 minutes time. So as you can tell, it's a little bit busy. If you've been watching my videos during the COVID time, you would have seen that this train station was a lot empty. So here I'm going to try to navigate and show you exactly if we're getting the passages or not. The passage or not. You get a lot of stuff like everyone is trying to rush home, but where we're going is not far from here. Watch the rest of the videos, then you will see exactly where we're going. We're going to a city called Tianjin. Then after Tianjin, I'm going to see my apartment which has been built, and after seeing my apartment which has been built, we're going to go to the seaside. I'm traveling with my daughter and my wife, so this is a family-friendly traveling holiday trip. So it is the same process. I have to show my passport again to board through the gates because I am a foreigner. So this is my passport. He's going to authorize it and check. 什么？边是吗？ Yes, I got the wrong boarding area, so I have to come down here, and the lady is going to help me. She's the one who's going to scan my passport and allow me to board through the lift. Apparently my passport has been denied for some reason. She just went there and scanned it. We arrived late at the station, so we're just going to go in anyway. Because I'm traveling with my daughter, they referred me to this boarding gate with the lift in it. So, surprise, surprise, I've got a second daughter. This is my second daughter. So what we have got to look for is carriage 6. Carriage 6. So this is carriage 4. We're heading to carriage 5. So we're going to go to carriage 6. It is a busy holiday because this is the Spring Boat Festival. Remember, the last few years it's been the COVID lockdown in China, so a lot of people, they're trying to utilize the traveling times. And I have to find where I can... No, the other one. So what I have to do is to find... We got the passenger, the baby carriage area where we can put our luggage. Apparently there's some toilets here, so I'll show you the rest of the video. So traveling compared to European trains, and I'm not going to compare to any European train, but to the UK trains, this is the better standard train, and I'll show you the traveling speed. I'm sure today we're going to be traveling at around over 360 kilometers an hour. So for everyone here, I'll suggest you enjoy. Sorry. Oh, sorry. You enjoy the ride, and I'm going to show you the traveling speed on the train. So if you subscribe to the channel, I'll be showing you our traveling speed today. This is where it is. I'll be showing you, I'm sure today we're going to be traveling at over something like 360 to 80 kilometers an hour. So subscribe to the channel and watch the short videos and see our final destination, so you learn more about China.